Let's talk a little about microorganisms and whether they are helpful or harmful. The word micro means so small you can't see it. Organism means it's alive. There are some beneficial microorganisms. Algae grows on water and produces oxygen. Plankton and algae provide food for fish. There are helpful bacteria. They turn milk into yogurt, produce cheeses. They're in your stomach to help digest food. Yeast makes bread, rolls, and helps cakes to rise. Penicillin is made from mold. Mold also helps dead things like plants and animals decay. Some fungus can provide food, like these mushrooms you see here. There are also harmful bacteria and microorganisms. Salmonella and E. coli are both found on raw chicken and eggs. You will need to thoroughly cook all meat to make sure you kill those bacteria. There are also harmful bacteria that cause strep throat and harmful viruses that cause colds or flu. There are also harmful microorganisms like these types of fungus. There are some that can spread through crops and kill them. There are some that can cause skin diseases like ringworm and athlete's feet. Mold can spread through crops and kill them. Not healthy for people or animals to digest would be the mold that we are talking about. Looking at harmful algae, there's something called red tide, where the algae grows too quickly, covering large amounts of water, making it look red. This algae is actually toxic. It's harmful for people, plants, and animals. So, microorganisms can be both harmful and beneficial. They're everywhere, in the ocean, on your body, inside your body, on plants and animals, in your food, or in medicine. There are lots of antibacterial agents that we can use to help keep us safe. Hand sanitizer, Kleenex, antibacterial creams, and hot water along with soap.